Hello, I'm Manas Babu, your teacher for English. This video is about English tenses. What do you understand when we say tense? Let me say, tenses are the ways we talk about time in English. What do you mean by time? Time means the past, the present, the future. Something we talk about past, the gone things, and future. Okay, this is about simple present tense. Simple present we use mostly to talk about things that are always true and things that happen repeatedly. See, that is, we use this tense for things that are happening regularly or permanently, not for temporary. This will be better understood when we say how it is different from present continuous. Present continuous is another tense that comes in present. Present continuous, when I say I am working in present continuous, it means that I am working at the moment. I may stop working in the next moment and I was not working in the previous moment. That's applicable for the moment only, the moment of talking only. That's what present continuous. I'm working, I'm driving, I'm drinking water, likewise. But simple present is something that is general or permanent. I work in a college. It means I work in a college for a longer period. I'll be there for tomorrow also. I work in a college. That is permanent. That is fixed. You work, we work, they work. We can categorize I, you, they, we in one group, and she works, he works, it works. Here, works in the sense is a small difference. You need not worry about it. Just understand there is one yes with a she and he and it. Let's see it in detail in the next slide. So you understand the difference between present continuous I am working and I work. At least you understand the practical difference between I work and I am working. When I say I work permanently, or I am working there for a longer period. But when I say I am working, that's applicable for that moment only. That's a difference. Now let's see some usages for simple present tenses. The first thing is that is something permanent. For example, we live in Kerala. He works in a college. You see, both the cases are permanent, fixed. So we can use simple present. And another one, routines. I woke up at 6 o'clock. I sleep early. I sleep early in the sense I sleep early regularly. Right, not for today or not for the particular day. And we also use simple present for mentioning facts. Sun sets in the west, college closes at 5. All these things are facts or rather certain for a longer period. We also use simple present for mentioning schedules. Our class starts at 8:30. The flight leaves at night. That are all again fixed, right? Frequency. He always take the bus. Leaders say lie. He always take the bus in the sense he travels in bus daily basis. So we can use simple present. All these things, that's not applicable for the particular moment. Now let's see how to form sentences using simple present. One example, as I said in the previous slide, let's categorize I, you, we, they in one group and she, he, it in another group. There are many technical terms for that. Let's skip it now. Just understand these pronouns are coming in one group and these pronouns are coming in another group. I play cricket. One example using simple sentence. You play cricket. We play cricket. They play cricket. Right, that's all applicable for the moment. Not only for the moment, it's fixed, right? They play cricket daily or regularly. And I work at a bank. We work at bank. They work at bank. It's all fixed. It's all permanent. This is the best examples for simple present. Now let's see how to form the negative sentence for those statements. For making negative, we had to add one helping verb here. Helping verb in the sense do. That's what we mean by helping verb. I do not work at bank. I do not play cricket. We had to add one helping verb and a not in order to form the negative sentence. They do not work at bank. We do not work at bank. We had to add this helping verb. And similarly, in order to form question, we have to take that helping verb out of the sentence and put it in the first place. Do I work at a bank? Do you work at a bank? Do we play cricket? Do they play cricket? Likewise, we can form question sentences. Now that's yes or no question. How to form WH question? Very simple. We can add the appropriate WH question in front of that helping verb do. Where do I play cricket? Where do you play cricket? Where do they play cricket? This is the way we form questions. So the only thing keep in mind is that we have one helping verb in forming negative. Actually, there is also a helping verb hidden in the sentence. I do play cricket, but we need not say do here because do goes hidden in the sentences. But in order to form negative, we have to take that do out of the sentence. Now let's come to the another group of pronouns: she, he, and it. She plays cricket. He plays cricket. What is this yes here? Actually, it stands for does in the sentence, but we adds it with the work. That's why we say she works at a bank. Actually, it is she does work at a bank, but we need not say does separately. So we add a she works at a bank. Okay, that is does is an helping verb, just like we had a do in the previous case. Now, in order to form negative, we have to take the same helping verb back. She does not work at a bank. She does not play cricket, right? We can add not and form negative sentences. In order to form the question, we can take that helping verb out of the sentence. And does she work at bank? This is a proper question, yes or no question. Does he play cricket? Does it work at a bank? Right? We are taking that helping verb out of the sentence and form the question. And if you are going to form WH question, then we can take that add WH question to the sentence. Where does she work at a bank? Where does she play cricket? Right, we just add a does WH question before the helping verb. That's the only thing. So what here you have to keep it in mind is that we require one does here in the sentence along with those she, he, and it pronouns, and we do one helping verb do here in these cases I, you, they, we. So these are two categories, and there are many technical terms for single, plural, all these things. You just skip it. You need not keep it in mind. Just remember these are the basic rules about it. Now let's try solving some questions based on this. And you can also form hundreds of sentences using this single chart. Try doing it. It will be helping you to understand very clearly. And complete the sentences with the correct forms of verbs given in the brackets. This is the first exercise. And first question is India dash produce the best quality of wheat in the world. See, as we take the condition, we use simple present for something that is permanent or fixed. Right? India produce the best quality of wheat in the world. That is fixed for the moment. And moreover, India is one single thing. It stands for it, right? In the previous case we learned it. India is also not a person, it is it. So we can say India produces the best quality of wheat in the world. Like similarly, you can go for teacher, sincerity, whatever. Okay, add the appropriate forms of verbs given in the brackets. Now see the second task. Here the question is rewrite the sentence using what is required in the sentence. The new academic session begins on 2nd January. The requirement is to form WH question. So in order to form WH question, we had to take the helping verb out of the sentence first. What is the helping verb here? It is does. See here, begins. Begins means begin plus does. So we are taking that does out of the sentence. And does the new academic session begin on 2nd January? That's the way we form the sentences, by taking that helping verb out of the sentence. Now add WH question, appropriate WH question in front of that. Now, when does the new academic session begin? This is appropriate WH question formation. Here also you can try the sentence. Here in second task the question is to form affirmative sentence or positive sentences. That's very easy, and try forming similarly. Okay, you can refer YouTube or Google for your help, but learning this simple present is very important as far as grammar is concerned, because this is the most used tense in grammar and most important grammar in English. Thank you.